In today's video, I am sharing with you some cozy, easy fall hacks and DIYs to get you ready for this fall season on a budget using mostly Dollar Tree items. Please hit that thumbs up button and let's jump on into the video. The first thing that really caught my eye at Dollar Tree was this mist maker. It was a lit up cauldron for $5 in the plus section, and it was the cutest little thing, but I knew that we could even make this better. This is really fun, it really works. I plugged it in and it creates this fun mist while it changes colors. So you just have to have the little USB adapter to get it into the outlet, but for this project I knew it would be better if we could work on the outside. So here's the thing, it does look like cheap plastic. You can see where like the potion or whatever's supposed to be in the cauldron is overflowing over the edge, but it just looks bland and it's the same color plastic and really doesn't pop. Now you could take the opportunity here to make this green, orange, purple and make this more of a colorful Halloween project, but I just wanted to keep it really classy and just blend in with all of my other decor. So I'm using black puff paint and just using that little line on the edge as the outline, so following the same little line that they had. So this was super easy to do, and then I just put in some of my little spiders. I didn't even glue them. I picked up these spiders from Amazon. I've been using them in like the last 3 videos, but you can see how much this elevates this project, makes it look a little bit more realistic and mystical, but I absolutely loved how this turned out. One of my favorite hacks is to use these fragrance packages and put them in your vases of flowers that's setting around your house, so you're not waiting until the evenings when you've lit up a candle to get all of those fun fall smells, but you can enjoy it all day. And this is really strong, so I smell it, but it's not overbearing. I used about half of the package in a large vase. This vase and the floral picks came from Dollar General, so a very inexpensive piece, but how easy it is just to put that in there and I can enjoy that fragrance all day. I love a good basket with a throw in there. Dollar Tree right now has these little wicker or woven baskets out in the plus section. This was $5, but I felt like it was a great deal. I know if you pick up large baskets anywhere else, you're going to pay $10. I just threw a throw in there, and then I found this orange pumpkin pillow at the Dollar Tree in the plus section. Absolutely too cute just to stack those up, and just ties everything together. Just like with this project, I don't think that you can have too many throw blankets or pillows around your home this time of year. I love making it super cozy with all of my lit up decor. I put it on timers so it already just comes on of the evenings and looks so cozy without me having to run around and turn everything on. And then I just get to relax and snuggle up on the couch with a good game on my phone. If you love the game Bingo, or you're just looking for a fun game for this fall season to just wind down for the evening, take your mind off of things, then you definitely need to check out Bingo Showdown. Bingo Showdown delivers a one-of-a-kind live bingo experience where you get to compete against thousands of other bingo lovers in live tournaments 24/7. With a fun Wild West theme, Bingo Showdown brings fun and excitement to the old-fashioned game. It really is the fun, fast-paced bingo game that we all love. Jumping in on real tournaments keeps it exciting. I love gaining the daily rewards, getting to spin for free tickets, and that you can play multiple cards at the same time, so there's never a dull moment. This is a free-to-play casual game. You're not investing real money, but a game for real bingo enthusiasts that love being super competitive and competing against 99% of the participants to qualify for the diamond tier and become the bingo champion. So join the fun by clicking the link down in the description box or scanning the QR code that's up on the screen, and you can receive 3,000 tickets and 10 of each power up right now by going and clicking the link down in the description box. A huge thank you to Bingo Showdown for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get back on into crafting. Okay, so let's talk about another budget-friendly way to get your home to smell good for fall. So whenever Dollar Tree puts out little decorative pieces like this that hang on a hook, this is a great opportunity to sneak some fragrance oil on the back of it, and it's usually like some kind of absorbent material like an MDF. I just put some of this fragrant oil on the back. Now, I accidentally poured way too much and it couldn't soak it up fast enough, so definitely pour it really slowly. Just a few drops may do. That way you can like keep adding it on there whenever the smell starts to dull. But I just added it to the back, let the excess drip off, and then just hung this up in my bathroom. And even my girls, whenever they walk in the bathroom, was like, what is that smell? You can't go wrong with a good vanilla fragrance. Definitely just apply your favorite fragrance oil on there, but really adds in the perfect smell and keeps it fresh. I love grabbing these blank night lights that you can make over from the Dollar Tree. Now, I have used these in the past and made some creepy faces on them for Halloween, but I recently picked up some window clings at the Dollar General. They were just $1 for a 2-pack, and it was a great deal. These cute little wreaths were so fun that I thought these would be really cute on the night lights. Now, we just built a new house, and in our backsplash, we have so many outlets, and they're kind of an eyesore, so when I can fill them in with these cute little decorative pieces, it really just fills in the space and doesn't look like a stuck out outlet. So you'll see what I mean just over the counter. It goes along with the backsplash, adds a little extra touch of my orange color for fall and decor, and you can swap out these window clings with each season. Now I want to move on to some fun treat ideas. I was super excited whenever my Dollar Tree had these candy eyeballs, and I knew they would be perfect for Halloween. So I ran into my local Walmart and picked up just some generic Rice Krispie treats. I didn't even pay for the name brand ones. And some of this Great Value almond bark. This was very inexpensive. I just microwaved a little bit of the almond bark, and I'll use more of that later on in the video, so don't let any of that go to waste. But I wanted to make these over and share with you a really fun way to display these. So starting out with the pre-made Rice Krispie treats, obviously you can make some at home, but these purchase ones just are super easy, so it makes your recipe go by a lot faster, as well as not having to worry about if they're going to set up hard enough. Usually the ones that I make at home, they're just like really soft. So this works out perfect. I melt down a little bit of the almond bark and then put it in a piping bag, and Dollar Tree actually sells their own piping bags now, which makes this really inexpensive. I'm just putting a little bit on the Rice Krispie treat, adding on the eyeballs, and then just going crazy with the white chocolate and making it look like a little mummy. Dollar Tree has out some really fun Halloween containers that you can actually fix up to display these for a party. I'm taking 2 of these spider web bowls and just gluing them back to back or bottom to bottom so that one of them will stick up tall like this, and it's going to raise it up so like if you have a lot of things on the table, they're not all hidden and at one level. I love doing this whenever I have parties, like raising up the food in the back. I stuck a piece of parchment paper down in there that I cut into a circular shape and then put in my little mummies, and these are absolutely adorable, ready to go, and something cute I'll be making all fall season. Okay, this is a really fun Dollar Tree hack. You can keep all of these ingredients on hand, and whenever you get invited to a party or need a last minute treat, someone comes over and just wants something fun to snack on, this is the perfect recipe. It's actually called Scarecrow Crunch, I think. I found the recipe. I'll try to link it in the description box, but all it was some of this caramel corn as well as some candy corn. I think I ended up putting some chocolate chips in mine, Chex Mix, pretzels, and you just mix this together. No seasoning goes on top, and it just creates a fun little trail mix where you can sit around and snack on this. I love taking this to campouts, parties, get-togethers, and you can display it really cute. So Dollar Tree has these little plastic tubs. I actually left 2 of them stacked up just because I liked the black one, but I love the pop of the purple color on top. Also, you could fill up both of them and take them if you wanted to. I put a little piece of parchment paper down on the bottom, but you could skip that step. I put the trail mix in there and then picked up some of these adorable little paper cups to set by it. So all anyone has to do is scoop them up, a little cup of trail mix, and sit around, have a fun lightweight snack. That's going to be really fun to just sit and enjoy. And if you don't like candy corn, you can definitely leave that out and substitute it for something else. So anything goes in this. Just throw a bunch of treats that you like into one of these fun containers. Okay, so now back into using more of the almond bark. I just go ahead and I haven't had any trouble microwaving this. I know sometimes chocolate can be a little bit harder to melt at the perfect temperature, but I just threw this in there on regular power for 1-minute intervals until it was melted. And then I go ahead and put it on a pan of parchment paper, and you want to spread this all around and then add in some of your favorite treats. Now I cut up a bunch of Oreos. I'm adding in candy corn. I felt like the eyeballs were a really fun addition to this, and I ended up breaking this all apart, and a lot of the eyeballs got separated, but I think it would be really cute if you could break this with a lot of them connected. Either way, it still turns out really cute. I love putting down all of the bigger pieces first and then filling it in with all of the colorful pieces. I'm using Reese's Pieces as well as a ton of sprinkles, and it's really just fun and festive. My kids absolutely loved getting to snack on this at nighttime, and you once again can fill it up with pretty much any treat that you like. So I let this completely cool off and then started to break it apart. And it doesn't matter if you get this perfect or not, or the size of it. This is just some really fun Halloween bark. There's 1,000 recipes online if you want to look up some different ways to make it. But I thought they turned out really, really cute. A fun, festive treat. If you want a fun way to display this, I picked up one of these clear trays just from the Dollar Tree servingware section, as well as a set of these skeleton hands. I did struggle with them at first, trying to decide which side they needed to be on, but they all are exactly the same. It's not like there's a right and a left hand. So I just glued them underneath with some of the fingers hanging out of the edges, and this makes the perfect little tray on a stand so that you can put anything that you want on here, but it's perfectly festive for any Halloween party. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite dish or treat that you take to parties that you go this time of year, to Halloween parties or fall parties, or something that you would send in for a school snack. Thank you all so much for checking out today's video. Don't forget about Bingo Showdown. Super fun. You'll want to go download that today, and you can do so by clicking the link down in the description box underneath this video or scanning the QR code that's up on the screen, and you can receive 3,000 tickets or 10 of each power up, but you have to hurry. Go click that link. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.